This video we are going to discuss SS petal flower in alternating blue and white colors. So how to create this in your computer is shown in this video. For doing this you must open your Microsoft Word in your Windows computer, and suppose in your keyboard if the numlock key is off you must turn on the numlock. Now you can see on the left side of the space bar there is an alt key. You must press and hold this alt key. You do not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time, you must type in this section 10046. So after typing that, then you can simply release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that this flower with the color you can see is black and white here, and for changing the color to blue and white, then you can see simply select this one, and after selecting you can change the color from here. From here choose the blue color. So this is the dark blue. So if you want light blue you can choose light blue, or if you want dark blue you can choose the dark blue. If you select this one, then you can see that we have created alternating dark blue and white colors. And if you want a light blue shade, then you can simply select from here, and from here choose the light blue. So you can see that of this petals you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 alternatively, some in blue, 3 in blue and other 3 in white. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.